Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, guys, you're not going to believe this, but the brand Louis Vuitton has received backlash from its Jamaican-inspired flag pullover. Now, the move comes days after the fashion house revealed the Jamaican stripe jumper on its website, which is said drew inspiration from Jamaica, except the colors were all wrong.
Now, the design was green, yellow, and red,
14.
and not Jamaica's recognizable black, green, and gold, an error which many media houses and individuals pointed out online. Now, BET described the faux pas as cringeworthy and displayed a blatant lack of research, while reggae icons, who's Bob Marley, his daughter Sidella, called out the brand on her Instagram page, and she captioned a photo of her father wearing a jacket with similar colors, and it said, Bob would say that's the Ethiopian flag, and she tagged Louis Vuitton.
So White Yardie did a video complaining about it also. Before we go any further, let's just take a little look at this video and then we carry on the discussion. Let's have a look.
No, Louis Vuitton, not today. Not today. No. Try another day. As a matter of fact, they will try another day. Just don't do it. Do not start the foolishness. Leave Jamaica out of no foolishness. Furthermore, this is, them call it Jamaican stripes. Nope. It look more like a Rastafari stripe. And if that's the case, you are stereotype Jamaican, like we say, oh, Rastafari is only in Jamaica, or Rastas alone live in Jamaica. Listen, that look more like Ghana colors. Yeah? So Ghana people come defend on the colors too. Yeah? Low it. Stick to where you normally do. Put on the LV on the shoe, close them and leave it like that. Don't bother with this, man. And listen, nobody no buy this bomb. Hey, don't make us bad so early in the morning. Nobody no buy this. Nobody no take it down. We don't want, don't. As a matter of fact, hold on. If you sell this, 50% of profit needs to go to Jamaica, seeing as you want to use the name, yeah? 50% needs to go to the victims of the flood. We're going to Jamaica, we're there, yeah? 50% of our profit needs to go to the kids out there that cannot afford school fees and school lunches and school. 50% need to go Jamaica, you hear me? 50% LV, Louis V. You hear me, I say? As a matter of fact, 80% need to go. Can't have money like that. 80% needs to go to Jamaica.
As a matter of fact, 80%. You know what? 90%.
We don't want that. That's your way. Your way does the man. Your way does it. Just send me a big money and say sorry.
It's true, but
because
you know,
I mean, come on. I mean, is it?
Dr. 100%.
Yeah, I mean, they pull it down, but how do you make that mistake?
A blunder, yeah.
It's not even research. It's like from you go Jamaica colors are just like everybody know.
Yeah.
Black, green, and gold.
Yeah.
Like it's simple. Like we don't really think it need. I don't think it needed any research. Like going in Google and saying what are the Jamaican colors, is that considered research?
No, because even if you type in Google in your spell check, if you just type it in, the little flag will come up as an option to use it. So you can see the colors just by virtue of you writing Jamaica. So
two words, Jamaican flag. Like somebody forget fired for that.
Yeah.
And a big, like, but you see, the unfortunate thing about it is that those colors are associated with Jamaica, whether it's black, green, and gold, or red, yellow, and green. They are associated with Jamaica. One is the Jamaican flag, one is the Rastafarian colors. But how is it that we would now be able, under one voice, to speak to an entity like Louis Vuitton and say, hey, you're using these colors which represent us, and no, we need to get some financial.
I agree with you. I feel like I'm kind of sick and tired now of seeing this kind of, this use of poor marketing to try to move people to responding, to bring awareness to whatever it is that you're selling.
Yeah.
They knew that was wrong, I feel. Like you said, there's no way you missed it. But like we've been saying, Jamaica is such a powerhouse. Like we're so liquor and so tolerant that we can bring a lot of validation to a lot of things. So just by adding Jamaica, like she's of Jamaican descent, she's of Jamaican, you know what I mean? Everybody's trying to get a piece of Jamaica, so they kind of put it on everything.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's a cheap marketing trick to get us all talking about it. They knew they were wrong.
Yeah.
But now we're all talking about it.
How much say they put out the real?
But
They're going to put out the real colors.
They knew it. Everybody know what
They're going
Jamaican
to put
colors
out the
are.
real
I'm so
colours.
sorry.
They're
They
going
took
to
it down
put it
off the
out.
website now.
They're going to put it out.
You know, but also I kind of want, I love that this white yardie spoke out on our behalf. That's really good. But I feel like we can speak out for ourselves, though.
Yeah, but
I feel like I need to see.
But White Yardie is that he's born Jamaican.
That's really
he
good.
was born in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that. So in color kind of,
So
as we say, high.
kind of red dirtish.
And then him
The-
guy England. So they were like, you're Jamaican, you're color, sir,
Yeah.
and you live in England. Until the office say, yeah, me a Jamaican. And in order to validate.
Yeah. But the
Yeah,
truth
this
is,
is
why
how-
are there no laws to protect brand Jamaica?
It's colors. Yeah, but here what happened. It's just colors. So even though black, green, and gold is synonymous with Jamaica, it's really just colors. And how do you really hold the copyright to any color?
No.
Or any color
it's
combination.
the arrangement of the colors, you know. It's the arrangement of the colors that is copyrighted. And the way that they did it.
Right. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's
Of
what
course.
we should do. Yeah.
Of course.
Brand Jamaica is so huge, we shouldn't even have debt. We shouldn't have all these things. Come on. I mean, it's
Yeah.
about time the powers that be pull up on a socks.
Because you have to remember that we are still classified as a third world country, you know.
I
A
know.
third world country.
Well, can I
so that has so many implications. So it cannot be that we are a third world country with all its limits and restrictions, and yet everybody uses our name to big brands to make their whatever they're selling more viable. Something is not quite right. There needs to be some law, some kind of
Yeah,
protection
so-
going
yeah,
because
so-
you know,
sort out.
there was a brand before that used Jamaica with the bit, black people with the bit in their mouth. You know, I'm like,
Sort
we
out
need to do better.
in yourself. I
Yeah.
mean, come on, it's about time. It's 2021, man. We survived COVID. We survived a whole heap of something.
And Louis Vuitton?
Yeah.
Louis Vuitton can afford a little
Louis
market
Vuitton,
research.
100 million under Scarlet Quits, man.
Yeah, but who the maga give?
Eh?
Who me get
Give
10?
Give me.
Give you?
No.
And
I
you
wouldn't
disseminate
even
it.
want so much. I wouldn't
Okay.
even want so much. Anyway, Daytime Live will be right back. I want to talk more about this, but we'll be the amazing Alakai Harley.
Hey. Hey, Dobson went a little. He blushed there. He blushed. Were you blushing as well? There was some blushing happening. I don't know. You know what, guys? Join us after the break. Let's see how these two recover to have a conversation. We'll soon forward.